want ChatGPT to sound more playful, creative, and a little bit unexpected. Here how to switch to quick tone on your Samsung Galaxy A56 device. Okay, first open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap menu icon to open sidebar. Scroll down and tap your profile name at the bottom of the menu. From there, select personalization. Next, tap his style and tone. And then select Quirky. Once selected, ChatGPT will start responding in a more fun, imaginative, and slightly unconventional way. This tone is great for creative writing, brainstorming ideas, storytelling, or when you just want something less serious and more entertaining. If you ever want to switch back, simple return to the same menu and choose a different tone. And that's it. Your ChatGPT is now set to Quirky mode on Android. And then to save, you can tap check icon. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.